Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys this beautiful 4-bedroom, 2-bath home. Now we are in Winter Haven. This is basically where Legoland is at, and then you'll see outside they're doing a lot of building. But I really love this builder here because they offer all appliances. So washer, dryer, fridge, stove, microwave, dishwasher, all of that is included. This house is not done, but it will be done by the end of May. So I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like when, you know, they're finishing up their build. They're also offering, and this is just right now at this time, you got to get your credit checked to see if you qualify for it. But if you're using their preferred lender, they offer a 4.9 interest rate, I believe, for FHA, and then a lower 5% interest rate if you guys was to do like conventional, and then they offer a $10,000 closing cost credit. So I hope you guys enjoy looking at this house, and if you guys have any questions or if you want to see this house or any of the other houses that I'm showing you guys, make sure you guys give me a call. My phone number is 407-374-2747. Now look at this beautiful kitchen. Look at this kitchen. I love it. So we seen the 3 bedrooms that's actually in the front of the house. This is your kitchen, very wide open. You can put a fence up outside if you want to, but look at the countertops. You have beautiful countertops here. Here is your beautiful cabinet. Let's look and see how big this pantry is going to be. So this is going to be your pantry. I'm pretty sure they're going to put some shelves in there. They just haven't done it yet. So that's really nice. And don't forget to get all your appliances included. They're just not in here yet because they have to finish everything up. So definitely call me, you guys, 407-374-2747. And I'll be happy to help you guys. Now this is the primary bedroom. A lot of people call it, this the master bedroom, but we can call it the owner's suite, master bedroom, primary bedroom, whatever you want to call it. But that's your bedroom, and then this is your bathroom here. So it's not done yet, you guys. Don't forget, you have a lot of stuff that they still have to do in here, but I still want to show you what it looked like. So you have tile throughout. So it's actually tiled throughout the whole house, except for you have carpet in the bedrooms, and you have a shower in the owner's suite, and then I'm guessing they're going to probably put a closet or something there. I don't know what they will actually put there. I'm guessing they will put something right there, or maybe they won't. I don't know. We'll see though. But here is their the toilet, so the wet closet is what they call it. And also here is, I think they're going to put the doors up here because it's just no way, or maybe it is a way. This is your actual closet. So you have a lot of space in here, you guys. So I definitely love this house. Again, we're in Winter Haven. This is where Legoland is at. So I definitely like it out here. Very quiet. They do have a community pool here too. When I first came in, I seen people at the pool. So you could take your kids to the pool. You can go to the pool yourself. I really do love this house. Again, if you guys are looking to purchase any house in Florida or even in the United States, because I'm connected with so many realtors in the United States, I'll be happy to help you guys with that process. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Again, my phone number is 407-374-2747. Bye-bye.